Look at the amazing new model. Great. So it's look like premium look. You see that swing gate? The swing gate look like a premium model. You see that? Okay, now I'm going to see the second gate. This is also the swing gate. 5 feet height, and the total length is 10 feet. So now you look at the premium model. So I'm just zooming you. So the premium model look like it's a laser cut, the square laser cut, and this is the pipe. It's a 1-inch pipe and designed the vertically, and this is the lock, and this we gonna be open. And look at the swing, beauty of background. I'm locking. So it's a stunning look background. It's look like very neat, and the premium, the model is new. And look at the second one. This is also look like a premium model. So the background is look like the very fancy, and this one as well. And I'll show you the front edge again. So now I'm opening and closing it.